Welcome back to our quiz time, and the content for today's quiz will be vocabs from lesson 64. The first question, what is bright in Chinese? We have A. 未婚妻 B. 未婚夫 C. 新娘 D. 新郎 You can try to guess first. 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman. 未婚夫 is fiancé for man. 新娘 is bride. 新郎 is groom. So bride in Chinese is C. 新娘, 新娘. The next question. What is wedding in Chinese? We have A. 婚姻 B. 求婚 C. 结婚 D. 离婚 Is it A, B, C, or D? 婚姻 is wedding. 求婚 is wedding proposal. 结婚 is to get married. 离婚 is divorce. And wedding in Chinese is A. 婚姻, 婚姻. The next one. What is fiancé in Chinese? We have A. 离婚 B. 结婚 C. 未婚夫 D. 未婚妻 I will give you time to think first. 离婚 is divorce. 结婚 is to get married. 未婚夫 is fiancé for man. 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman. So fiancé in Chinese is D. 未婚妻未婚妻 Another question here. What is wedding proposal in Chinese? We have A. 新郎 B. 求婚 C. 新娘 D. 婚姻 I will explain it later. 新郎 is groom. 求婚 is wedding proposal. 新娘 is bride. 婚姻 is wedding. Wedding proposal in Chinese is B. 求婚求婚 Let's move on to the next question then. What is fiancé in Chinese? A. 未婚妻 B. 婚姻 C. 未婚夫 D. 求婚 Which one do you think is the right answer? 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman. 婚姻 is wedding. 未婚夫 is fiancé for man. 求婚 is wedding proposal. And the right answer for this question is C. 未婚夫未婚夫 Moving on to the next one. What is groom in Chinese? A. 新娘 B. 新郎 C. 结婚 D. 离婚 Which one do you think is the correct answer? 新娘 is bride, 新郎 is groom, 结婚 is to get married, 离婚 is divorce. And the correct answer for this question is B. 新郎, 新郎. Moving on to another question here. What is divorce in Chinese? A. 离婚 B. 未婚夫 C. 婚姻 D. 新郎 Which one do you think is the right one, guys? 离婚 is divorce, 未婚夫 is fiancé for man, 婚姻 is wedding, 新郎 is groom. And A is the right answer for this question. 离婚, 离婚. And finally, guys, the last question for today. What is to get married in Chinese? A. 求婚 B. 新娘 C. 未婚妻 D. 结婚 Which one do you think is the correct one, guys? 求婚 is wedding proposal, 新娘 is bride, 未婚妻 is fiancé for woman, 结婚 is to get married, and D is the correct answer for this question. 结婚, 结婚. And that's all, guys, for today's quiz. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you guys again on our next lesson.